Hello everyone, welcome back to our AutoCAD tutorial series. Today we're going to explore two important tools in AutoCAD, Annotation and Parametric Modeling. These features may sound technical, but don't worry, we will break them down in a simple way to understand. Annotation is the process of adding measurements and labels to your drawings. Think of it as putting labels on different parts of your design to indicate their size, distances, etc. This is crucial because it helps you communicate the exact dimensions of your project to others, such as contractors and manufacturers. In AutoCAD, you can access the annotation tools using different methods. For example, under the Home tab, you can access some of the annotation tools under the Annotation section. Also, you can navigate to the Annotate tab where you will find more tools. Before you start with annotating your drawings, it is recommended that you set the units for your drawing. To do so, type units, hit enter, and this will open the drawing units dialog box. There are a few options here. You can set the length, type, precision. You could also set angle types and precision. You can choose units like inches, millimeters, etc. Now let's look at an example using the annotation tools. Let's say that you're designing a window. To add some annotations to this, you can simply use any of the annotation tools over here. For instance, you could use the Smart Dimension tool and dimension your lineals. Additionally, you can use any of the other tools over here. For instance, if you want to measure an angle, also, you could choose to add a text. These are a few of the very common tools under annotation. Now, let's look at parametric modeling. Parametric modeling is a method of creating and editing objects in AutoCAD. It is based on predefined rules and relationships. For those familiar with SolidWorks, this is similar to dimensioning your sketch to give lines and objects specific measurements and constraints. It's important to note that parametric tools are not available in AutoCAD version. Now, let's look at an example with the parametric modeling. To show the parametric tools, head to your tab bar, right-click. Under Show Tabs, make sure the parametric is checked. Then click on Parametric, and you will see all the parametric tools available for you. For instance, you can choose to add a linear dimension to your drawing. To do so, specify 2 points, and this will add a linear dimension. You can specify a value for that dimension, let's say 7. You can see how the line length is changed to 7 units. Additionally, you could use other geometric tools and constraints. For instance, we could use the equal tool to equal this line and the top line. There are many useful tools here to explore. I recommend that you go through them and learn what each of these tools do. Both annotation and parametric modeling are powerful tools in AutoCAD, but they serve different purposes. In many cases, you will use both features together to create comprehensive and efficient drawings. Mastering these concepts will take your AutoCAD skills to the next level. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy times!